You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in something. Your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. Because believing that the dots will connect down the road will give you the confidence to follow your heart, even when it leads you off the well-worn path. And that will make all the difference. Your time is limited. So don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. You've got to find what you love. And that is as true for your work as it is for your lovers. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. And don't settle. What you truly want to become. You're going to have some ups and you're going to have some downs. Most people give up on themselves easily. You know the human spirit is powerful. There is nothing as powerful, it's hard to kill the human spirit. Anybody can feel good when they have their health, their bills are paid, they have happy relationships. Anybody can have a larger vision then. Anybody can have a large vision then. Anybody can have faith under those kinds of circumstances. Comes when get knocked down. It takes courage to act. Part of being hungry when you have been defeated. It takes courage to start over again. Fear kills dreams. Fear kills hope. Fear put people in the hospital. Fear can age you. Can hold you back from doing something that you know within yourself that you are capable of doing. But it will paralyze you. At the end of your feelings is nothing. But at the end of every principle is a promise. Behind your little feelings, it might not be absolutely nothing at the end of your little feelings. But behind every principle is a promise. And some of you in your life. The reason why you're not at your goal right now, because you just all about your feelings. All on your feelings, you don't feel like waking up, who does? Every day you say no to your dreams. You might be pushing your dreams back a whole 6 months, a whole year. That one single day, that one day you didn't get up could have pushed your stuff back I don't know how long. Don't allow your emotion to control you. If you don't discipline and contain your emotion, they will use you. And you're going to go all out to have it. It's not going to be easy, when you want to change. It's not easy. If it were in fact easy, everybody would do it. But if you're serious, you'll go all out. I'm in control here. I'm not going to let this get me down, I'm not going to let this destroy me. I'm coming back. And I'll be stronger and better because of it. That this is what you stand for. Take F.